it is now time for us in Africa to make sure that we produce mostly for Africans. We may have access for the rest of the world, but we have to remember, let us produce primarily for Africans. And let us make sure that the farmers are prosperous. If we don't make farmers prosperous, in many ways, we would have failed.
There may be failures from the agricultural, the United Nations, the donors, because when the funds are donated for this purpose, like for the ponds and all that, there is not much follow-up. And the ponds dry in the next, as soon as they are done, they dry. So a bit of supervision from the donors, a bit of supervision from the government, and the policy makers must be involved so that they can give directions as to what the farmers need to do.
I can tell you for sure we've been in this sector, and it is not as risky as it has been put. Because as long as the farmer is able to do what we call the agri-business, they are farming for agriculture, and then they are able to have the right partners who work with them to ensure that they're able to farm in an agricultural, in a business way, then they are there to succeed. In case there are issues to do with risk where the rainfall is not there, I want to confirm insurance policies are there to help pay up some of these facilities.